So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download Microsoft Visual C++. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads right here, one for x86 and one for x64. We're going to be getting both of these. So you're going to click on both of them. Now they're both going to start downloading. Wait for this to load. And then once they've been downloaded, we're going to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. And we should now be in our downloads folder with both of our downloads, x64 and x86. We're going to download both of them. We're going to start with the first one that comes up. For me it's going to be x64. I'm going to double click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on yes. It's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, it should now be saying setup successful. Now you're going to close out of this. And now for the next download under it, for me it's going to be x86. I'm going to double click on this. And then once this comes up, you're going to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, again it should now be saying setup successful. Now we're going to close out of this. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.